someone else's progress doesn't make you any less. Hindi komot yumayaman ang ating kapitbahay, ibig sabihin, ikaw ay naghihirap. Never ever compare yourself to others because there will always be greater and lesser person than you are. Corsini, tumutulong magpalaganap ng tamang pananaw para sa kauunlad ng bawat mamamayan. Dahil ang taong may tamang pananaw, panalo sa buhay.
This inspirational post is brought to you by Corsini Trophies and Plaques, Fine Glass Arts, creatively crafted. Panalo sa buhay. Proudly Philippine made. Gawang Pinoy para sa mundo.